Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a money glitch. It's a pretty good glitch. Wait. Yeah. I got this truck from it. It's pretty good. Also, I found this vehicle. Alright, I didn't mean to touch that. Actually, no, I was going to go in there. Also, I made this drag four-wheeler. And I got this trailer. That's pretty much it. I sold some other vehicles, but I'll use this vehicle. So what you're gonna do is make sure you have like data or something, and like a connection to Wi-Fi. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna press play, then single player, woodlands, and then you're gonna go turn your phone or like tablet on airplane mode, and then you're gonna go on here. I'm just gonna get this crate, and you're gonna go through here. In this crate, no. Okay, so this glitch, what it like does, it doubles the money a little bit, but then it also says you're the first one to get this trail done, so it'll give you more gold than like times 2 gold, so it'll give you more gold. And usually it's like 7 gold, then it gives you I think like 13, so not double. And there's a crate over here. No, please don't. Aw, darn it. I have to come back up here. You can also go up this way through the river, but I'm showing you the harder way. Okay. So, wait, did I not do it right? I don't think I did it right. Yeah, I did do it right. See, guys, it says, if you can read it, it did that. And see, it gives me 13 gold. And 1,500 of that. I'll do it again. So, let me come over here. And guys, I'm going to let you read it, so he'll show you. See, it says Trailblaze. I cannot read that. I don't know why. It says you were among the first to complete the route. Gold bonus 10, so give me 10 extra gold. And so, guys, I'm gonna do this a couple times. So I'm gonna like pause the recording, and then I'll come back once I have more. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave this, and I want to see how much gold I have at the start. So this is how much money I have at the start. $12,000, and I have 62 gold. So I'm going to pause the recording, and I'll come back once I've done it quite a few times. Okay, so I did it around like 20 times, and this is how much money I got. Let me repair my vehicle. So I got 361 gold. I already had 62 gold, so I got around like 299 gold. And also I got $45,000. And yeah, I'll show you. Let me do something really quick. There, I'm gonna turn that off. Okay, and then I'm going to go do it normally, that trail, and show you how much you get. So I'm going over to the trail. I'll show you an easy way to get it instead of the first way I showed you. You can just go down this river. it does get your truck kind of dirty, or car, or dirt bike, or four-wheeler. It doesn't give you as much if you're on a side-by-side, or dirt bike, or a four-wheeler. Darn it, I can't do it. Okay, it's off now. So I'm going to turn that on. And guys, I'm sorry, it's about to turn on again. Sorry, it's about to turn on. No, it's not. Okay, phew. I like turning the sounds off. I don't really like hearing the sound. Let me get this crate over here, because this crate's always here for some reason. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how much it normally gives you. Okay, I've done this like 20 times, so I'm getting bored of this trail. But that's how much it normally gives you. How did somebody do that in 1 second? Okay, and yeah. Should I customize a vehicle really quick? Okay, so that ad's on now. I'm gonna go to dealership. I go to trucks. And I'm gonna make something out of a vehicle. I don't know what vehicle yet though. Okay, I'm gonna do it out of this, and I'll come back, guys, once I'm done with this vehicle. Okay, guys, I'm back, and here's the vehicle I made. See, it has all these lights. It has a spare tire. I have all this. I put my YouTube channel name, Andrew Glasgow, and I put YouTube on the bottom. Then I have this design on it. What I did is I just went to customize details, and then I went to splatters, and I got this one right here. See this one? I'm not gonna put that on, but yeah, here it is. I haven't got a chance to upgrade it yet, but I will do this really quick. And I'm gonna be upgrading this. I'll make it diesel, and it's gonna be like a sand vehicle that I can go out in the desert with. And yeah, I'll say it looks pretty good. Also, I went to customize and went to paint and got glossy paint. That looks terrible. Okay, so bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video.